Alright, we got a 2021 Ford Explorer here, and it took me a minute to figure out how to put this thing into neutral. I didn't see any settings under vehicle on how to release it in a neutral with the car not running. So like if you're trying to get it on a dolly or a tow truck. So even though I've selected neutral here, it's still in park there. So I found that there is a neutral override lever. So it's here in the glove box. All right, turn on the flash. So pull up this carpet piece, and in here under the center console, under the armrest, right, there's this little hatch door. So if you pry this open, there's this lever which looks like it's mechanically connected to the trans. So this seems to actually release the transmission in a neutral. So it's kind of a bugger to get to. There's a lot of like tension. So if you pull it back like that, it's a neutral, but it doesn't stay. And it's kind of got a lot of force. So what I did is I put my pocket Prizzy in here, pried this thing back, and then once I got it back, I just pushed it with my... I gotta get a better angle. Push it with my thumb. I think if you had a bigger screwdriver, you could do this easier. But like that, and then you hear that click. So once it's clicked, there's like a pin in here that engages and will actually hold it in place. So now it's a neutral, but what I found is kind of had to be babysitting this thing because the parking brake kept automatically applying on me, which was a bummer. So with the key on and the engine off, it seemed to stay for a few minutes. But once I was moving it, the parking brake applied on me and I had to turn it off again. And so to release this, when you're done, you stick something in here and push it down, and there's like a lever in here. You kind of see it actuating a little bit. You know, but you'll push it down, you'll hear it click and release, and then it will start going forward, and then push it down, and once it's back, you should be good to go, and then reassemble it. But I don't know, kind of wild Ford. I don't know. It's these electric shifters. Not really a fan of them, but that's what we got. So hopefully this helps you guys out, and I will see you in the next one.